In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find save for later items on Amazon. If you've ever moved something out of your cart because you weren't ready to buy it, Amazon stores it in a special area called Saved for Later. It's a handy place to keep track of products you're interested in without losing them, and it lets you return to compare prices, check availability, or add them back to your cart when you're ready. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Amazon homepage. For the best results, make sure you're signed into the correct account, since saved items are tied to your profile. If you use multiple accounts, glance at the greeting in the top right corner to confirm you're on the right one. Next, head to your cart. You'll find the cart icon in the upper right corner of the page, often with a small number that shows how many active items you've placed there. Click that icon to open your cart page. This page may also show recommendations or delivery options, but what you need is just a short scroll away. On the cart page, look at the top section first. That's where your active cart items live. Now scroll down. Keep going past any suggested items or messages until you find a section labeled Saved for Later. This section is part of the same page. It appears below your current cart items. The wording may vary slightly depending on your region, but the heading typically says Saved for Later. Inside this section, you'll see the list of items you previously chose to save. You can click a product title to open its detail page and review specs, shipping times, or reviews. If you're ready to purchase, you'll usually see a Move to Cart option next to each item. You can also remove items you no longer want to track or add them to a wish list to organize them further. Keep in mind that prices and availability can change over time, so it's worth checking the latest details before you check out. If you don't see a Saved for Later section, there are a few likely reasons. You might not have saved any items yet, you may be viewing the wrong account, or you could be on a regional version of Amazon where the layout looks slightly different. On the Amazon mobile app, the process is the same idea. Open the cart and scroll until you see the Saved for Later area. That's all there is to it. Go to Amazon, open your cart, and scroll to find the Saved for Later section where your bookmarked products live, ready whenever you are.